Did you know that you can borrow a bike from AUSA for free? This is ideal if you're new to cycling and would like to try it out, or if you need a bike while you get your bike back on the road. Simply head to the AUSA website and use the calendar tool to book a bike for up to a week. Then collect it from the Student Union building. You can also borrow an e-bike from the university. These can be used to travel in between campuses, for leisure travel in the evening and weekends, or occasional commuting. There are free cycle repair stations like this one across the university campuses. They can be used for making small adjustments and repairs to your bike when you need them. You can find their location as well as lots of other useful active travel information, such as routes, the locations of lockers and showers in our active travel map. If you need any help with your bike, route planning, or any other active travel related issues, you can email environment@abdn.ac.uk or keep an eye out on either universities or AUSA's social media.